This video is on return on equity, a ratio that measures profitability from the common shareholder's view. Return on equity shows how many dollars were earned for each dollar invested by common shareholders. In order to calculate this value, you need to know the previous year's shareholders' equity value. Here, we have added 2014's shareholder equity to the data dictionary. Run the function. Return on common shareholders' equity is 13.33%. Let us make this function now. Name our function return on equity that accepts a data dictionary. The first variable is income available. Income available is net income. Subtract preferred shares issued. The second variable is average shareholder equity. Average shareholder equity is shareholder equity plus shareholder equity 2014 divided by 2. Next, return on equity is ROE for our variable name. ROE is income available divided by average shareholder equity. Now print out this information. We call our function and pass in our dictionary. Return on common shareholders' equity is 13.33%. And that concludes this video.